What's up guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be painting the front lip that Blaine unboxed in a previous video. Can you chill for a little bit? So Blaine picked up this lip and it came black, so we're just going to go ahead and paint it white just to match the car a little bit better. And also the bumper is cracking right over here. So we're gonna go ahead and lay some fiberglass on the inside and then probably do some fiberglass Bondo over here. So this is after everything's been put back together and I think it looks pretty decent. It's good enough for now. This car has been washed in maybe 3 or 4 months since the last time we were at Sonoma, and throughout all the drift centrals I think that's why it's so dirty and everything is super dusty. And some of you guys that are new to the channel have not seen the truck before, but we just added some 2-inch spacers to it and I think it looks so sick. I love it so much. The truck is probably my favorite car out of all of them, and then it's the Z. I don't know, what do you guys think? Alright guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys want to support the channel and cop some stickers, the link for the website will be down in the description below. But thank you so much for watching today. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you guys haven't already, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out and stay good.